Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the honorable lecturers, Miss Sriwidaningsih as my supporting lecturer and Mr. Sampurna Wibowo as my examiner lecturer. Today, I will going to present my final project about the effect of the promotion mix on the expert course purchase decision case study at expert course 2020. First of all, here is my introduction. My name is Syauqi Amin from class D3MP41-01. Here is the introduction for expert course. Expert course is a tutoring for students from university located primarily in Bandung Technopark with main courses for the Faculty of Engineering and the Faculty of Economics and Business. Founded in 2014 by Mr. Aldo, Expert Course provides the same offline course services as other conventional tutoring with face-to-face learning process with instructors and helps academic grades for students who are not understand with the lesson in campus. Price starting from 2.999 million rupiah to 7.999 million rupiah for one semester. The price depends on the choice of majors and course packages. For the background research, the tutoring industry is projected to still be one of the main business sectors to help students achieve goals from elementary, junior high to senior high school. But it is different from tutoring for students from university who tend to be very rarely encountered. The number of registrants to become new PTN and PTS students in Indonesia from year to year has increased. The results of the Indonesia Career Center Network or ICCN research show that 87% of students in Indonesia admit that the majors taken are not in accordance with their interest. Expert Course is a company engaged in services, namely private tutoring for students from university who feel less academic competent. Since the beginning of Expert Course until now, the number of applicants has decreased every period of student registration for tutoring. The CEO Expert Course states that only more or less 1.1% of TELKOM University students apply for tutoring in the Expert Course each semester. Formula of the problems are: how does the promotion mix affect the Expert Course? How does the purchase decision affect the Expert Course product? How much influence does the promotion mix have on purchase decision for Expert Course product? The theory are: according to AMA, marketing is the activity set institutions and process for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. And the theory for promotion mix is, according to Kotler and Armstrong, promotion mix or marketing communication mix is the specific blend of promotion tools that the company used to persuasively communicate customer value and build customer relationships. And the theory for purchase decisions is, according to Kotler and Keller, the consumer purchasing decision process consists of 5 stages carried out by a customer before arriving at the purchase decision and subsequently purchase. Here are some dimensions or stages of a purchase decision. First, problem recognition, information research, evaluation of alternatives, purchase decision, and post-purchase decision. Here is for the framework. The X1 is for promotion mix and the Y1 is for purchase decision. Here are the hypotheses. HO, there is a negative and not significant effect between promotion mix on purchasing decision. H1, there is a positive and significant effect between promotion mix on purchasing decisions. Here is the research method that I'm using are research approach, quantitative, research objective, simple linear regression, data collection technique, questionnaire and observation, sampling technique, non-probability sampling, validity tests using Pearson product moment, reliability tests using Cronbach alpha technique, descriptive analysis, classic assumption test, t-test, and coefficient determinant. Here are the characteristics of respondents. There are gender, income, age, last study, and occupation. Here's the descriptive analysis result. The promotion mix variable, or X, has an average percentage of 67%, and the purchase decision variable, or Y, has an average percentage of 73%. For the classic assumption test, the normality test, that the sig value is 0.200 higher than 0.05. The autocorrelation test is higher than the 4DL, so there is a negative correlation, which means there is a autocorrelation. This is the validity and reliability test for variable X, which are all variable X are valid and reliable. And this is validity and reliability test for variable Y, or purchase decision. The all variable are valid and also reliable. This is the result for simple linear regression and t-test. According to the TELKOM value variable X, 17.732 higher than t-table, or 1.987, and the sig value 0.000 lower than 0.05. It can conclude there is a significant influence of variable X on variable Y. And this is the result for coefficient determination. The R square obtained is 0.7062 if it is multiplied with 100 equal to 76.2%. Sorry, 76.2%. Thus the promotion mix affects purchasing decision by 76.2%, and the value of 23.8% is other factors. The conclusion are the promotion mix variable, or X, has an average percentage of 67%, indicating that the response of respondents, which means the promotion mix variable, is considered good. The purchase decision variable, or Y, has an average percentage of 73%, indicating the respondents, which means the position of the purchase decision variable is considered good. The promotion mix variable has a significant influence on purchase decision. The significant value generated by the promotion mix is 0.000. It can conclude the first hypothesis is rejected and the second hypothesis is accepted. Based on the results of the coefficient of determination, it can be stated that the influence of the promotion mix variable X on the purchase decision variable Y expert course influences the purchase decision of 76.2%, and its 23.8% are other factors. It can conclude the third hypothesis is accepted. For the solutions, our suggestions for the expert course are to be more active in using Facebook as a means of promoting expert course products and adding interesting content to increase the number of Facebook users who see the expert course promotion on Facebook social media. And suggestions for the expert course are to load more interesting content in print media promotion so that potential consumers feel more interested, or use more attractive print media such as banners or billboards, because print media promotions using brochures are not very effective nowadays. That's all for my final project presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.